Good evening. Today I will show you how to bind a grid view control that is available in Webgrid in ASP.NET MVC. It's similar to grid view, so thanks to Microsoft, which provides Webgrid in ASP.NET MVC. So same as previous tutorial, create a new project. If you saw my previous tutorial, you can see a model class to use bind database. A model class provides that field which is available in database table. Also we have a data context class through which we can communicate with the database table. So all the process available in edu.net entity data model. So first of all, add a new entity data model in your solution project. So add a new item in the data tab, select the data tab and select edu.net entity data model. In that model, select EF designer. Also select in new connections. If your connection is not appear in your drop down list, so write the server name which is provided by the SQL server. So after some times that's change automatically, so that is fine. Banking system is a name of database. Connection string, retrieving database informations, please wait, that is message. So select table from given tables. I select user account. Also select another table, that is employee. So you can select multiple table from given tables. Okay, now finish it. In this tutorial I will bind a simple web grid, and that grid having with paging and sorting. In the later video tutorial I will show you how to set individual columns for sortings and how to disable pagings. Also get the selected item from the web grid. So here we have two model class in the EDMX files, that is employee and the user account. Also we have a new context class in a model. So add first of all a new controller, that is Jacob controller. Suppose you add a home controller that is already available, so please select no. Do you want to replace it? No. And create a new controller, that is Jacob. The name of the controller is Jacob, and so that is the context class banking system entities. So create a new object for banking system entities class. Banking system entities, that is data context class. So DC have a name to the banking system entities class. and get the item by using public properties of the data context. So if you want to open that file, then you find a user accounts a public property in it. So get the list, and so we have a class user accounts and that types of fields available in it. So pass that, build that project. Oops. A return view a list of items. Okay, now build your project before adding views to the folder. Your name is index, template is empty, and a model class is user account, so available on letter U. So that is the last specifications user account, and the data context class is also banking system entities, so add it. It's a simple things to bind a grid view control in ASP.NET MVC. So here we have a simple class that is user account, or you can say the whole class access by using single object. If you want to access for multiple, or you can say list of type objects, make that class enumerable, IEnumerable. So first to add IEnumerable, with the grid view mvc.useraccount, and in the declaration section you can add a object of the Webgrid. In the Webgrid uh, constructor you can pass a object of that class. So add a Webgrid class, make an object of the Webgrid class and pass that model. Okay, if that getting error because add a IEnumerable property with the grid view mvc.useraccount, because that is a simple single user, and make IEnumerable for list of type. So new web user Webgrid model, and simple call Webgrid by using getHTML method. If you use @model, that is not right, so please remove it and call that Webgrid by using simple grid.getHTML. Okay, that method. Save this and check to test it. So thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Please keep watching my all other video tutorials which is related to ASP.NET MVC. Thank you again and subscribe my channel if you want to learn many more things about MVC, ASP.NET MVC. I will provide you a better video tutorials from others channel. So thank you very much again.